Which system in the human body controls voluntary actions? Nervous system. Which part of the brain maintains posture and balance? Cerebellum. The hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels is insulin. Which part of a neuron receives signals? Dendrites. Which gland is called the master gland? Pituitary. Which hormone is responsible for the fight or flight response? Adrenaline. Reflex actions are controlled by spinal cord. Which hormone regulates metabolism? Thyroxine. Which type of neurons carry signals from the brain to muscles? Motor neurons. Which of the following is not a plant hormone? Insulin. Tropic movements in plants occur due to all of the above. Light, water, gravity. What is the function of the hypothalamus? Regulate hunger and temperature. The gap between two neurons is called synapse. Which plant hormone promotes cell division? Cytokinin. Which hormone is responsible for growth in plants? Auxin. Which of the following is not a life process? Thinking. The enzyme responsible for converting starch into maltose in saliva is amylase. Which organ is responsible for the absorption of nutrients in humans? Small intestine. The opening and closing of stomata are controlled by guard cells. The site of gaseous exchange in human lungs is alveoli. Which vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? Pulmonary vein. The major excretory product in humans is urea. Which process is used by plants to transport water from roots to leaves? Transpiration pool. Which of the following is not part of the human digestive system? Kidney. Blood in arteries flows with high pressure. Which chamber of the human heart pumps oxygenated blood to the body? Left ventricle. Which of the following helps in clotting of blood? Platelets. The basic unit of the kidney that filters blood is called nephron. Which type of reproduction involves a single parent? Asexual reproduction. Which of the following is an example of asexual reproduction? Budding in hydra. Which of the following reproduces by binary fission? Amoeba. Which part of a flower produces pollen? Anther. What is the function of the fallopian tube in the female reproductive system? Site of fertilization. Which organ in males produces sperm? Testes. Which of the following is a sexually transmitted disease? STD. Syphilis. The role of placenta during pregnancy is to provide nutrients and oxygen to the fetus. Which of these is an artificial method of vegetative propagation? Cutting. What is the female gamete called? Egg, ovum. Which hormone regulates the menstrual cycle in females? Estrogen. What is the first step in sexual reproduction? Gamete formation. Which method of reproduction helps in genetic variation? Sexual reproduction. In which organism does fragmentation occur? Plenaria. The structure in the male reproductive system which carries sperm out of the body is urethra. Who is known as the father of genetics? Gregor Mendel. Mendel conducted his experiments on which plant? Pear. Pisum sativum. What is the physical expression of a gene called? Phenotype. Which of the following is an example of inherited traits? Eye color. What is the probability of producing a male child in humans? %50. Which chromosome combination determines the female gender in humans? XX. Concept of survival of the fittest was proposed by Charles Darwin. Which structure carries genetic information? Chromosome. What do we call different forms of the same gene? Alleles. Which of the following is an example of acquired traits? Height due to nutrition. Which law of Mendel states that traits are inherited independently? Law of independent assortment. Which of the following is a vestigial organ in humans? Appendix. Which of the following provides evidence for evolution? Fossils. How many chromosomes do humans have? 46. Which of the following is not a source of genetic variation? Cloning. Which of the following is a biodegradable waste? Paper. Which trophic level in a food chain consists of herbivores? Primary consumers. Which gas is mainly responsible for global warming? Carbon dioxide. What happens to the energy as we move up the trophic levels in a food chain? It decreases. Which of the following is not an abiotic component of an ecosystem? Plants. Which of the following is an example of a decomposer? Fungi. Which of the following is an example of a food chain? Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Methane. Which of the following is a non-biodegradable waste? Plastic. Ozone layer protects us from UV rays. What is the primary cause of ozone layer depletion? CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons. The process of breaking down waste materials by bacteria is called composting. Which of the following causes acid rain? Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Which of the following is a major threat to biodiversity? Deforestation. What percentage of energy is passed from one trophic level to the next in a food chain? 10%. Which of the following is not a renewable resource? Coal. Which of the following is a non-renewable resource? Fossil fuels. Which of the following is an example of sustainable development? Using solar energy instead of coal. Which of the following is a method of water conservation? Rainwater harvesting. Which of the following is not an example of sustainable resource management? Overfishing in oceans. Which of the following is the best way to manage forests sustainably? Planting new trees for every tree cut. Chipko movement was related to saving forests. Which of the following is an advantage of using biogas? It is a clean fuel. Which of the following gases is produced in a biogas plant? Methane. The Ganga Action Plan is to clean Ganga River. Which of the following is not a method of soil conservation? Deforestation. Why is water harvesting important? It conserves water for future use. What is the best way to reduce air pollution? Using public transport and clean energy. Which of the following is an example of using resources wisely? Recycling paper. What is the main goal of sustainable management of resources? Conservation for future generations.